Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through how to use the customer wallet feature in Invent ERP. Let's get started. Go to All Apps. Then head to Accounting. After that, select Customers, then Payments. In this page, click on Add to put an amount to your customer wallet. Pick Receive Payment. Then add your customer and the payment amount. Now if everything looks correct, create the payment. The next step is to confirm the payment. Let's see now where the payment can be used. Head to All Apps. Click Point of Sale. Then Start New Session. After that, choose your product and confirm your order. Make sure to choose Pay Later. Select Customer. Then click on Pay. Navigate to Invoices. Here you can see the customer wallet section, and you can see the balance. Click on it. Then allocate the payment. You can also add funds directly from invoices. Let's quickly go through it. Click All Apps. Then go to Accounting. Click Invoices under Customer. Then Add. After that, choose the customer and fill the details for the invoice. Then add your customer's invoice items. After those steps are completed, click on Create. Confirm the invoice. Then scroll down, you will see your customer wallet. Click to allocate. Press OK and you are done. There you go. That is how you use the customer wallet feature in Invent ERP. I hope this was beneficial. Thank you.